This is Srikanth, History Optional Faculty. So, let us discuss about some of the important points with respect to the Indus Valley Civilization, which is a topic comes under the ancient Indian history. Okay. So, Indus Valley Civilization, which is believed to be the existed between the 2500 BC to 1500 BC, according to R.S. Sharma, who is a popular ancient Indian historian, according to him, the civilization was existed, flourished between the 2500 BC to 1500 BC. Okay, it is even supported by the radiocarbon dating method, which is a scientific method. Okay, they are the first people, okay, who used the bronze metal. Okay, they are the first people who used the bronze metal, and that is the reason the Indus Valley civilization is also named as Bronze Age civilization. Okay, next thing is, it was the first civilization in India, Indian subcontinent, and one of the earliest civilization in the world. Okay, this is the first urbanization in India. Okay, the other contemporary civilization which are also existed along with the Indus Valley civilization were the Sumerian civilization, which is also known as Mesopotamian civilization, which was existed in the present modern country of Iraq, on the banks of the river Tigris and Euphrates river. And next thing is, next civilization which has also flourished along with the IVC is Egyptian civilization, which was existed on the present modern country of Egypt on the banks of the river Nile. And the next civilization is the Chinese civilization, which was flourished in the present modern country of the China on the banks of the river Huanghe river, which is also known as Yellow river. But of all the civilizations, Indus Valley civilization believed to be the largest civilization, which was extended to 1.3 million square kilometers. History optional orientation session as well as the workshop will be conducted on November 8th in the Sosin IAS Academy, as well as the history optional online course will be started from November 18th in Sosin IAS Academy. Thank you.